Hello cookbook friends, this is Carrie from Cookbook Divas, and it's not Taco Tuesday, but let's look through Taco Loco by Jonas Cramby. It's street food from scratch. Very colorful. Here's the back. Now I haven't peeked through this other than doing a quick flip through over on Instagram for Reels. It came out in 2018. And who doesn't love tacos? The publisher is Pavilion. And the table of contents has a very tiny font, so I'm going to whip out my granny reader glasses. Okay, part 1, basics. Part 2, snacks. Part 3, tacos. Part 4, sweet things. And part 5, drinks. And part 6, Dia de los Muertos. Okay, a little bit of a taco intro, a foreword from the author, Jonas Cramby, writing from Oaxaca. Here's the basics. Oh, someone's making fresh tortillas. All about corn, wheat, and nixtamal tortillas. I actually have masa at my house to make my own tortillas, but sometimes I'm too lazy and I buy them. Bring home from Mexico these things. Salsas, raw, chopped, and roasted salsas and pickles. Now I can't show you the whole book, but we'll just do a quick peek through. Here is salsa verde, salsa cara, salsa de aguacate, pico de gallo, pico de piña. Now I'm hungry for salsa. Salsa de chipotle, salsa de guajillo, salsa de tomatitos. Woo! Okay, here's a taco getting ready to get made. Mexican ingredients. I love that they're using photographs to show us what it is. Quesos y crema. Homemade Mexican cheese and cream. Crema. Here's chili school, in case you need to learn about chilies. Antojitos. Tostadas, quesadillas, and other. I can't read the font because it's too small and light. Gorditas. I don't know how to say that word, and I grew up very close to Mexico. Picados, empanadas, garnaches, sopes, chalupitas. Here's a recipe for gorditas and one for tlacoyos. I don't know how to say that. Okay, tostadas. Lots of kind of tostadas. Basically, that's a taco that you don't roll up because it's too full of stuff. Flautas. Now, as a vegetarian, I don't often get to order flautas in restaurants because they're not vegetarian. They have chicken. So now I have a cookbook and can make my own using veggie chicken, fake chicken. Quesadillas. Ooh, I'm not sure why that's black. What's going on? It is quesadillas made with blue corn tortillas. Oh, phew. It's dark blue. Okay, that scared me. I thought they'd really burned it and decided to photograph it and put it in the cookbook anyway. Okay. Tlayudas, charcoal grilled corn dough pizzas. Okay, I have to skip ahead because can't show you the whole book. Here's a torta ahogada, a meat sandwich swimming in chili sauce. How does that look? Not sure why these are all in a taco book. Oh, because it's a street food book, not just tacos. All right. Torta Milanesa, a sandwich with breaded chicken schnitzel. My boyfriend would love that. Here's grilled corn on the cob, famous street food, elotes. Okay, the taco chapter. Barbacoa, al pastor, and other tacos. Let me find carnitas. Yeah. Whoa. Here's... I hope I never have to see that in person because I'm vegetarian. But the rest of you that eat it, enjoy. I'm not one of those preachy vegetarians. I just don't eat it. But I will make meat for other people. Frijoles refritos. Picadillo. Here's barbacoa, part of the book. There you go. If you don't know what barbacoa is, look it up. It's B-A-R-B-A-C-O-A. Tacos de lengua, tacos with slow-cooked fried beef tongue. For the very adventurous people. Tacos with deep-fried fish and cabbage salad. Ooh, healthy. Tacos with chicken rice and black mole sauce. Ooh. Carne asadas, my boyfriend's favorite kind of taco. Here's chorizo. And they're having little tips on the cookbook. I like that. This one says how to accordion slice your meat. Here we're on the sweets chapter. How about fruta cristalizada? Crystallized or candied fruit. Paletas. Oh, I need those in summertime when it's hot. How about, oh, sugar skulls. Woo! You can make it yourself. Cake with 3 kinds of milk. Tres leches. A magic chocolate cake with creme brulee. Ooh, is that street food? Wow, nice. Okay, churros, of course. But look, I've never seen churros that long before. Whoa, awesome. That's really cool. We're getting to the end of the book, but we have to get to the drinks. Here she's making Mexican hot chocolate. Yum! Makes about 20 chunks. Here we go. Aguas frescas. Great for summer. And what else do we have? Tepache, home-brewed pineapple beer. You thought this chapter about drinks was going to be all about tequila. No. But here's a margarita paloma. That's usually what I order at a Mexican restaurant. It's a paloma margarita. Okay. And then a whole section on Day of the Dead that I don't want to ruin it for you. That is pretty good. That is pretty cool. Taco Loco. I'm going to go read the section on refried beans and see how they do it differently than I do it. And see if I need to up my game. Thanks for watching this cookbook look through and review. You can see more of them at the Cookbook Divas website, cookbookdivas.com. We have a podcast. We post cookbook news to Facebook and Instagram, and of course our videos to YouTube. Thanks so much for watching.